In this video, the X-Maxx goes fast and Steve makes a noise. Oh! Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. What are we doing, Steve?
Speed run.
Yes, who's going to win? Ian might win. Ian's got some beanies in that Savage. I reckon this does about 50. That does about 50. I don't know what your lot does.
I don't know. We'll find out. Well, on 8S, I won't be able to get any power down. So
how fast do you reckon it will go?
Well, I'm hoping at the moment it will beat that, which is nothing.
So what do you reckon it will do?
I don't know. It's on 4S, so I'm going to go for 40 miles an hour.
Does it do 6S?
Yes.
Are you going to try 6S later?
Possibly.
Alright, so 4S, he reckons 40 mile an hour. I don't reckon that's any much more than 30, to be honest.
It doesn't look fast at all, does it?
I reckon 30. I'm not thinking any more than 30.
It didn't look fast, did it?
Nah.
In all fairness.
It sounds a bit noisy as well.
That's always been like that. 39 miles
39, oh! So nearly 40 then.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Good guess.
4S. I wonder what it'd be like without the shell on.
So what we got going on in here? We got the Zima motor.
Yep, and ACRC 150 amp 6S speedo.
Yeah. Well, I'll try and give it a go.
I'm not sure how good this battery is, but I'll try a different one in a little while.
That's a good guess though.
Yeah, it's a good battery, but it's old.
Yeah.
Now.
X-Maxx?
I think so.
X-Maxx! I reckon the X-Maxx will do 45 on the grass. So this is an 8S X-Maxx, but it's got a 6S motor. I think gearing's 1950. It is, Mitchell! I'm guessing 45 on the grass. I've got a Sky RC GPS and it's a load of rubbish. You guys want to do speed runs, don't buy it. This is probably about the best speed meter you can get for the price, isn't it?
Yeah, Garmin 4Runner.
101, isn't it?
Yeah, they're doing a new one that's rechargeable. This one's not.
Yeah.
Just takes AAAs. Right, yep, that's it.
Yeah, bash cams on. There we go! Oh, crashed! There we go, flat out. I can't even hit flat out, just wheelies. Well, that was flat. Oh, oh no! Oh no! Right, what speed do we got? Oh, 50 mile an hour. Who's going next?
Hey.
You'll give us a little guided tour of your car. What you got?
Dunno. Show Inferno thing you made again?
Yeah, it's Inferno, see, he knows.
I actually can't.
What's under the bonnet? Let's have a look. Oh, he's got a ripper. Oh, he's got a ripper. You know what that means?
What do you mean?
Brake stuff.
How many things has the ripper destroyed?
Lots.
Yeah.
I got the same in my Hyper.
Yeah. You running 4S?
Yeah, just 4S to start with.
Can it do 6S?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
But I think it will get destructed.
So what speed do you reckon it's going to get?
I reckon that's got to do 50 miles an hour.
Yeah, same. There it is.
Oh!
Did you feel the wind rushing through your hair? Oh, it blew his hat off, look.
What are you doing? What happened?
I got fired on.
Who did it?
That butt cheek.
Apparently, at some point today, we'll do a speed run.
Yeah, might do at some point.
I can get this.
Where's Silly Voice?
He borrowed it.
Oh.
Yeah, give it back. Give it back.
There he is.
Stop it. Oh, sorry. I'm just not getting one.
Uh-oh.
No, he's on.
That's on the... Oh. You got to wind it up slowly, dude.
That's wishful thinking.
Wind it up slowly, bit by bit.
Air it up the mini ram. Air it up the mini ram.
What speed did we get?
38.
Hey!
Oh, I reckon you beat that.
Here he is. Oh, that is a cool.
I reckon 45 now. What we got?
42.1.
42.1. Is that it, or can it do more?
I don't know. It just keeps lifting up too much, to be honest.
Don't swear,
Yeah, yeah.
Corey. You can't. Yeah, why Roblox? It's a kid game.
Still 42.
That's the same.
So is that
I
it
think
for
that
now?
is the 4S limit.
So what's the specs of this Savage again?
Castle 2.2, Mamba Monster 2, running nails a centre diff.
How many S?
6S at the moment,
Oh,
48 spur, 11 pinion.
and speed?
Never tried
What
it.
do you reckon?
30 before the wheel falls off.
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you? 15.
Give us some tyres, Balloon. That's it. It's game over. Oh, his wheels.
Come on, Corey, come on.
Your tyre blown out.
I think so.
No, what the hell?
Oh no, he's had a blowout.
Got a puncture.
He's had a blowout. Oh no, what tyres are these?
Traxxas on axle bead locks.
Oh no. Have you damaged it, or is it?
Nah, it's just ripped out the bead.
Oh, that's alright.
Told you, until the wheel falls off.
Yeah. 30.
30, told you.
Oh, you bang on. He was bang on. That definitely looked faster than 30.
It really did, yeah.
Told you, 30 before the wheel falls off.
Yeah, bang on. Alright, so we got the E-Revo 2.0. Absolutely bog standard gearing. The only difference, we got trencher tyres because the standards blew out. And it's supposed to do 50 mile an hour, so I'm going to go with just 50. So 6S LiPo. 0 mile an hour. I reckon 50. What do you lot reckon?
Yep.
45.
45.
That's flat out. Yeah, it got flat out.
If it's out, flat out.
What's that on?
6S.
Oh, right.
If it's out, flat out.
That's flat out. Look, that's flat out. Flat. I don't reckon it was 50, you know.
I think it was.
45.
I'll go with 40, yeah.
45.
Yeah, 45, 40.
What do Traxxas reckon?
Well, I reckon 50. 70 with optional gearing. We're supposed to be 50 stock. But we are on grass and it's got different tyres, so.
Yeah, but they're bigger, if anything. So.
I reckon
Oh, wait.
that it goes
47!
I got 1 off.
I thought
He was the closest.
To be honest, that wasn't too far off. I think Traxxas were probably right.
Yeah, on tarmac, maybe.
Yeah, because it'd be less drag. So
I think that it goes 47.
that's
Yeah.
not bad.
Not bad.
the cap came off.
That's flat out.
I reckon 25.
Did you drop my drink over there?
I didn't mean to.
I reckon 25, 30
I'm a
maybe.
bit wet.
Yeah. I'm
Don't
better than
point
the
the camera
XL.
at me.
Have we got 3S?
Don't point the camera at me, my teeth.
Are we going to have a laugh?
Yeah.
What are you reckoning then?
I reckon 25.
Fucking stop at me.
30 maximum. I can't see it being much more than 30.
Nah, it was slow, wasn't it?
Stop. That.
Hey.
That.
Oh, 29.
My leg is red.
So on 3S, what do you reckon it would do? Like 40?
Yeah, I threw a Gringos can at you.
Yeah, why not?
Well, 3S, it just throws itself all over the place.
Alright, same again, but on 3S. Oh yeah, that's more like, that's broken it up. Oh god, if you can build it up.
It sounds a lot faster, doesn't it?
Cyclist.
Cyclist. did the foam come out? Yeah, foam's out. Oh
As
no!
well.
It destroyed it.
Not far off one, is it?
Oh, it's just popped out the inside.
29.
Same speed. Let's have a look under the body. What we got going on in here, Stephen?
120 amp hobby wing, 5000 kV motor, bigger DP pinion and spur.
And battery?
It's 3S, 6000 milliamp, 40C. I reckon it's got to be at least 50 miles an hour.
50?
Oh, I'm gonna go
Oh,
with 50. This thing's silly.
but it's wheelies though, doesn't it?
It does, but it has a wheelie bar.
So far, the X-Maxx. X-Maxx is the fastest one so far, 50
is.
so far, 50.1. Oh, it's come out, it's got excited.
Yeah, it's got a bit of something going on.
Oh, it's crazy fast, but I just don't think it's wind-upable. Oh, this is mad. Don't forget to check out Steve's channel, more footage on there, link in the description.
Mad.
It looks stupidly fast, but actual mile per hour figure, who knows?
Oh,
Battery died.
I don't know. It's only about when to walk. Mitch, can you go get a biscuit, please?
What happened?
I don't know.
What speed?
35.2.
I just turned it off and back on, so I think the battery was running out.
That's fully charged. It might have just been too much welly for it. Yeah, so it's got pretty hot pretty quick.
Oh, alright, so we got the Inferno ST. Stephen's one this time. What motor?
Here's a 2000 kV hobby wing.
Max 5, so it can run 8S.
I run it on half power on 4, see what we get on that.
Yeah.
More likely to get the power down and keep my tyres on.
Alright, so we're trying 4S. Oh, got a bit of blowout repairs going on over here. How are they held on? Glue? Or are they bead locks as well?
Bead locks as well.
Oh.
That's why I only run it on 2S.
What do you reckon, Steve, speed-wise?
Quick.
Is that flat out?
Yeah.
It's hard to tell when it's going across.
Yeah. It's going to look fast when it's coming this way.
When you do a sideways one, it looks faster. When you go away or towards, you just can't tell the speed. Yeah, 35?
I don't know. 46.4.
Oh, 46.4.
Mad one.
Alright, that's it for this video, guys. There's definitely more potential on all of these cars to go faster with more S-lipos and taller gearing. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that notification button so you stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye.